Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you an electric fork build. This build is going to be my third build, and I think it's pretty good, actually. And also, shout out to this guy for suggesting me to make this build. I hope you guys can actually do this too, because I have barely any ideas on what to post sometimes. So let me get into the showcase now. And as you can see, some decent damage, 63 damage per hit, and with crit, 80 damage. And Bloodthirst, here's how much damage it is now. Way more damage per second, and it's pretty good. Now I'll be showing you the heavy. A good 400 damage within a fully crit heavy. Nice. And a normal one is 200 damage. That's enough dilly-dally. Now I'll be showing you the build in a short while. And also put Charm Gem on the electric fork and Sharp for swing speed. And now I'll be showing you how to get this electric fork. So first, join the guild and get up to level 2 or 3, I'm pretty sure. And then, once the guild is 2 or 3, you should be able to do a quest line from Billy, where he would give you some things to do. From the quest I can remember, you have to have each of every slime: pink slime, green slime, black slime, and blue slime, which is not that hard. And also, if you want to level up the observatory guild pretty faster, you can do the quest line from this guy, Tyver, and I'm pretty sure that's his name. Then click need any help, and then it'll give you a quest line which can give you 2,000 guild XP, which is pretty good. And thanks for watching. I hope I can reach. I'm really happy for the goal. I've reached 100 subscribers. I hope we can go more. See you later.